Series 2 carburetors, 4.2 straight 6. We've taken off the dash pots, noticing that the centre of the dash pots is actually really black. They're all pretty manky, but that one particularly seems to be very dirty. So let's have a look. This is quite a common thing that we find. So you'll notice down inside here there is a jet, and this is called a bridge. This is called a venturi. The air passing over there lifts the petrol out of there. So they should all be even. But what we have here is a jet that's way down there, which would indicate, see there, look, and you see how wet it is in here. So this one's flooding all the time. So that's where the black smoke's coming from on this vehicle. This one's not too bad, but even so it's still set way down. So what we have here is a huge imbalance, a massive imbalance. So the next job is take the covers off here, reset all the jets, then set the balances, the airflow induction, and set it and tune it right. So we've taken the air cleaners off. So a further look at our little problem here. We thought maybe it was an adjustment. Remember we said that this should actually, the jet should be level with the bridge. This one, however, on closer examination, is way down, and nothing we can do on this adjusting screw here is going to make it come up and down. This unit here, if you press it down, is on a cam under here. When you pull this, it should all be related and should all move freely. No matter what we do to it, that jet stays exactly where it is, which is not a nice fault, because it means that this unit has to come apart. To get to that unit, you have to take that one off and that one off, and all the associated linkages. Jaguar, we love you. Anyway, so here we go. That one is not far off and does actually adjust. This one doesn't, which was leading me to think, anyway, what we have here, according to the book, you can see this little spring here. That spring gets corroded and water lies in the bottom, which there was water in the filter on this car. So this thing rots, and when it rots, it allows the jet, which is that unit there, come on, focus camera, there, so that's that there, and that's what we're seeing way down here. So what we're going to have to do is strip the whole unit out to get to this spring here and redo all the seals and everything else on the way. Be daft not to, really. So there we go.